Welcome to Bee's Sweet Treats, the most popular bakery in Reedville. Many folks are here for the legendary golden honey cake, a recipe so secret it's been guarded for generations. But this morning, disaster! The lockbox is shattered. The secret recipe is gone, stolen.
Detective, please, you have to help me. Without that recipe, my bakery is ruined. My future depends on it.
Who committed this culinary caper? Was it the jealous rival, the snooty food critic, the disgruntled nephew, or the nervous assistant? Someone has the secret. The Private Eye Detective Agency needs its top agent to crack this case. Detective, that's you! Grab your notebooks, examine the evidence, and solve the case of the recipe ripoff. Your investigation starts now!